Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Chandrakanti Ratkar, class BSc second year, Department of Botany. Then my topic is Liliaceae, family Monocotyledons. Then Liliaceae family, then systematic position Bentham and Hooker and Engler and plants. Then Bentham and Hooker systematic position, division Phanerogams, subdivision Angiosperm, class Monocotyledons, series Coronariae, family Liliaceae. Then a family of about 250 genera and 4,000 species showing cosmopolitan distribution. Many Liliaceae are important ornamental and are widely grown for their attractive flowers. A number of plants are popularly cultivated in private and public places. Then some common plants of Liliaceae. Then first of Allium cepa, Allium sativum, aloe vera, Gloriosa superb, Tulipa species, Dracacia species, Asparagus racemose. Then vegetative character of Liliaceae. First off, mostly plants are perennial herbs with sympodial bulbs, rhizome, cones, and bulbs. Some are shrub as Dracacia and Yucca or trees. Third, few plants are succulent, aloe and climbers, Gloriosa asparagus. Fourth, in some plants, branches are modified into phyllocates, ruscus or cladodes as in asparagus. 5. Roots are adventitious and fibrous. Then floral character. Floral character, then first of inflorescence, usually racemose, asphodus, sometimes cymose or solitary flowers are solitary in Gloriosa and tulip. Then second flower, bracteate, ebracteolate, bisexual, rarely unisexual in Smilex, Zelinica, actinomorphic, trimerous, hypogynous and showy. Then third perianth, 6 tepals arranged in 2 whorls of 3 each. Tepals are free or united as in aloe. Aestivation is mostly calcareous or imbricant. Then fourth androecium, 6 stamens are present in 2 trimerous whorls with a free filament, mostly dehiscence by longitudinal slit and sometimes by terminal pores. Then 5 gynoecium, tricarpellary, syncarpous, trilocular with many whorls arranged in 2 rows in each local. The placentation is axile, rarely ovary is unilocular with parietal placentation. Then 6 fruit, a, locucidal capsule, rarely a berry. Seeds are endospermic, embryo, curved or straight. Then 7 pollination. Usually insect pollination, insects are attracted because of gaudy and scented perianth and nectar secreted by septal nectarines in ovary. Then economic importance of Liliaceae family. First Allium cepa, second Allium sativum, third Asparagus racemose. Then tuberous roots usually in dysentery, diarrhea, disease of blood, kidney, liver and as ornamental. Aloe vera, then allium and tulip, then Gloriosa super, purgative use in piles, snake bites, scorpion sting. Then floral formula, bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual and perianth 6 in case 3 plus 3 is 6. Androecium 6 also 3 plus 3 2 holes. Then gynoecium is 3. Syncarpus, gynoecium is superior, flower is hypogynous. Then diagnostic feature, plants are mostly herbs and rarely shrubs. Second, in many plants stem is underground bulb or rhizome. Third, leaves mostly simple, Extrapolate, alternate and linear or trap shape with parallel venation. Fourth, parallel petaloid tepal 6 and arrange in 2 holes. Then 5, androecium contains 6 stamens arranged in 2 trimerous holes. Then 6, fruit is berry or cap. Then 6, fruit is berry or capsule. Then diagram of Liliaceae family. Asphodelus tenuifolis is the diagram of Liliaceae family. Thank you.